Unmanned aerial vehicles or UAVs are primarily used in developed countries for multiple purposes, from entertainment and agriculture monitoring to package delivery and governmental defense operations. Testing is necessary to ensure that UAVs can withstand operational stresses, perform efficiently, and maintain reliability throughout their lifetime. Interface sensor technologies, including our high-accuracy load cells, torque transducers, multi-axis sensors, wireless systems, and digital instrumentation, are ideal for all types of UAV design, testing, monitoring, and continuous feedback systems in flight. The overall global UAV market is projected to reach $48.5 billion in 2029. Other common uses for drones and UAVs are photography, data capture for mapping, and civil infrastructure inspection. The systems operate without a human pilot but are controlled remotely by a human or autonomously by computers and even AI. As the UAV industry continues to evolve, the role of force measurement solutions in pushing boundaries and achieving new heights will only become more critical.